Me tell the man and say you can't get comfortable. At them time we go on.
It's coming like 1 step forward and 2 steps backward. You know, a couple of days ago, I did up at a pillar with a dry star.
Hey, so up there going.
Proper, brother. You know, we cut all a tree and, you know, start take down the wooden structure because we're going to block up everything. When the zinc fence, everything are going to just block up on new facilities.
That sound good enough, King.
Dada, let me tell you something. You see what you are doing at your place there. It inspired me to set up a community tourism spot in all of the community there.
King, one hand wash the other, you know. Remember, you know, after your ideas them to, you know, me move forward as a elder, you know, King. So if it wasn't for you, I would have that in my back of my brain for you to start that on the ground.
Dada, I am a firm believer that we can fix this one community at a time. But we can't do that if we have some little loose cannon and run round and actually cut down innocent people like that.
King, I put in too much work for this discussion. We left on the case like Matlock.
So how Red Lane stay? You and them good?
King, the place go, you know. King, the man them all help with the treat.
So round a square good to.
Remember my walk go over there, you know, alone. But chat to the man them. So everything good, fam.
Any you kill the people them still over there?
No, you know. Last time here, you know, them take for themselves. But King, the beef that it squash. Long time, fam.
Tell you the truth, I just pray all possibilities, brother. Because this suspicious.
That me I do too, you know. Yo, quick. From morning me I call in a Jenna. Where there? What? Brother, don't make no move, you know. Don't make no King forward. Don't make no move, you know, you. Uncle, so me never know about that.
Brother, remember say, the war thing I go on from a taller time, you know. So I'm gonna make everybody know my family, you see me?
Everybody? Brother, me I call everybody. My lord, we have family. If you have uncle on the ground, we need to know that.
So quick. Where you go over Red Lane?
Nothing too personal, I just want to ask some questions, you see me?
I know that look the blood. But we can't deal with it out here.
Dada, you know want we deal with it, you know? Me will deal with it.
That alone emotion attack, brother. Can't do that.
No, you know better than that still, you know.
Dada, no war me I go over there to push it, bro. I just need some information, dad.
Info. Strap with big intro. Brother, like you go for paint Red Lane red. Here we go. I'm not gonna lie, I know it hurt. But we have to talk in, brother.
King, I never know no man.
Quick. Something not going with me and you don't know about. So we can't understand move so fast. Because we still don't know where this come from. We have to think smart.
Dada, I get what you're saying about bro. But them man, they're not trouble people, you know, brother. Mate, yo, mash up over here, so you know that.